In this class we are going to know about modulus of counter. So we are going to heard about mod counters and all these mod 3 counters, mod 12 counter, mod 1024 counter. What is meant by mod means it's nothing but modulus of counter. Mod counters means modulus of counters. What is meant by that modulus? What is that mod 3 indicates, mod 12 indicates? What is the value indicated prefix with mod means the number of states passed by the counter before reaching its to its initial state is called as modulus of that particular counter. For example, a counter is keep on counting from initial state 100. So 1002 some n states is going to count 2 power n states. So it's counting and it got 1000 again after completion of one clock pulse. So then the number of clock pulses are the number of states passed by this counter before reaching to its initial state is called as modulus of that particular counter. In the next classes we are going to design mod counters, that means mod 3 counter and mod 12 counter, and these mod counters are very important in gate point of view also. You are getting problems on mod counters. So in mod counters the frequency, the equation for total frequency they are asking. So total frequency is equivalent to 1 by propagation delay you need to consider. Total frequency of mod counter is equivalent to 1 by propagation delay that you need to consider. You are having so many problems on mod counters based upon propagation delay of mod counters and total frequency and number of states. Based on all these you are having so many problems, you are getting so many problems in gate, but you need to keep in mind that modulus is nothing but number of states passed by the counter to reach its initial state, that is meant by modulus or mod. So they will represent like this: mod 3 counter. Mod 3 counter means 3 states are passed by the counter to reach its initial state. So mod 12 counter means 12 states are required to reach the initial state of that particular counter. So like this we are having so many mod counters, so which are very important.